Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So I have once again just had a live stream where I trade live and you can follow my trades. I trade live on this broker Monday to Friday and you can copy every single trade I do very easily and simple. Okay, I will explain to you how you can copy my trades and all this good stuff. But before I do that, make sure you open with this broker also. You find link below the video and also you find a promo code that give you 200% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count. But it's completely fine also just to open with a demo account because you can then join my live stream, see if you manage to follow my trades. And then if you see that you can do good on demo, practice on it and then maybe go in with real money and make sure then if you do so use the promo code so you get your 200%. Okay, so make your first deposit count because you don't get promo codes after. You can ask me, maybe I can manage to get one for you if you want to deposit again, but rule of thumb, you just have one time you can use this promo code. Okay, so now let's take a look at the trades we have done today. Today we basically did 11 trades, pretty happy with that. I made a profit of $682, so that is pretty darn good. Let's see, 4th of September, here is first, this is from another day. So we did 11 trades, you can see here, all winners. We got 9 winners in a row before we got 2 losers in a row. So my win rate when I'm trading live is typically 7 and 8 winners out of 10 trades. Today I got a little higher win rate than I typically get. So, but still, it's pretty good start of the week. So if you want to print one together with me and make one together with me, I will now explain you very shortly how I'm trading and how you can copy me. And like I said, make sure you join with the link below and help me out. Push like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and remember to turn on the bell notification because then you never lose a live stream where you can trade together with me, because this will be free forever. You can follow me in the trades I do. If you don't want to learn how to trade, you don't need to. You can trade together with me and make money when I'm making money. So basically what I do, I can remove this now. I will not see in the money we made. So you can see here now, and I'll take this money in the end of the video so you can see how that works also. So this is basically cashback. So when you're trading, you get every single trade you do, you get some cashback. So you can see up here now, you have a line. Basically what I do, you see this is a strong resistant area. I just call it lines when I'm trading. I make things stupid simple. And I put color scheme in the way you're going to push the button. So when it's red, you push red button. Green, you push green button. I want to make it so everyone can follow. You don't need any knowledge at all when you're trading. And I tell that if you don't see it perfectly, just write in the chat, I tell, and I can repeat the number till you get it. So you can put the line exactly where you have it. Because basically, if this red line now, for example, come down to the green line, what we do, we push the up button. It's that simple. So if this will now come down while I'm talking now, we will just push the up button. Will I win? Yes, it's 70-80% win rate I have on this line down here. So that is how easy it is to be trading when you're trading live here together with me, and you can easily follow what I'm doing. So I hope I see you in my live stream tomorrow so we can trade together. Make sure you at least open a demo account with this broker. You find the link below the video. And then tomorrow when you're trading, you can take every trade I do, and if you see you can manage to follow what I'm doing, then it's up to you if you want to go into jail. Now, I told you from the start, we had a profit of 682. Now let's take this $44. I just push the button here. You see what's added to my balance here now. And we got another $44. That means we made $726 in this live stream I just had. So, if you think that is cool, if you think this is easy money, I trade just 1 hour a day. So if you can use 1 hour of your day and follow my trades, then this is for you. Have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow.